Hiya, so here we are. We're now on a bit of portrait shooting just before the riding starts for the day. Got a simple setup. It's a bit windy today, so no big soft boxes. All we've got, something really simple. Two City 600s, one with a reflector, just with a soft box cover on. And then on the other side, 60cm dish, just gridded. Settings for today, I've got this on manual camera settings. I'm using ISO 100. I shoot from about 1/25 shutter speed up to about 200, depending how much ambient light I want to cut out. And aperture, it's going to be between 6.3 up to about 13. Again, always take a range of shots. That way you can go back to your computer knowing that you haven't missed any little tricks. And again, lighting throws up some weird images sometimes once you start going into more creative settings. So kind of lenses for this, 24-70 is my normal one. Today I'm just doing a quick one, so it's going to be a 7D Mark II with the 10-22 on the front. Great for picking out skies. This is a nice little budget lens, about 300 quid I think it costs second hand. And it's one of my main lenses. It just brings out skies brilliantly, colour. So let's get on to see what we've got. So I've got the powers set, half power on this one, and we've gone half on this, but I'm going to drop this down slowly as I shoot. Again, don't always shoot from one position. Once you've got your shot and your settings right, work either side. Again, you know, saves you setting up lights again, and you're going to get a different pattern each time you move yourself. So this is Ellie. We borrowed her for this morning, and we're going to crack on and get some shots of her. All right, look straight at me, Ellie. Yeah, and just check your settings as you're going through. If you need adjustments, it's quite easy to do it all from the trigger. Again, move. Cracking. And again on this, we can swap to the 70-200 and do a kind of distant shot. So we've just repositioned Ellie. What we've done now is just let the bike up against the fence, moved Ellie away from the bike to separate. And we've just moved the lighting a little bit here. So we've got one of the City 600s, the one with the reflector and the softbox cover, just gonna light the bike itself, and maybe the last bit of light will reach Ellie. On the other side, I'm gonna highly light the right-hand side of her using the other Pixapro City 600, just down that side of her. So let's see what we can get. Look straight at me. So again, with this type of shot, by keeping low, you give your subject more stature, you know, kind of a hero shot. But again, the lower you can get, the better on these type of shots. So another way of catching some great portrait shoots is just a bit of a pit wander, if anything. Guys have ridden, coming back to rest, and all I do is basically, I've got the 7D Mark II 10-22 lens, and all I'm going to do is walk around the pit with the City 600. I've got a small softbox on the front, and what I use is a decorator's pole. Basically, I can either put my foot on the end and move the light while shooting, or if I need more height, I can always just put it in the ball of my hip and then move it around while I'm shooting there. So let's go and see what we can do in this system. Look straight at me, dude. That's it. Nice. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Keep an eye out for the other parts, they'll be coming out soon. Remember, we run the workshops here during the summer. We've got one in April this year, one in July and one in August. They're great fun. Give you a chance to get out close to the action, and like I say, we'll go through all the lighting and get you sorted to get some real fantastic shots. Other than that, we've got the 2 books available that are available on Amazon, which is Light, Shoot, Capture. There's 2 volumes. Gives you a little bit of MX in there and a lot of other things I do all the way through nature, landscapes, macro, lots of other things. So again, look out for other videos from us. They're all on our YouTube channel and the Pixapro channel. All the lighting that we've discussed today is available at the Pixapro website, which is all on the end of the video for you. Thanks again, and hope to see you soon.